Hey everyone, I'm your host Ryan. Today, we're going to be talking about CTAs. In advertisements, the CTA, also known as the call to action, is vital to persuade an audience to act. Just telling your audience to do something isn't enough. The call to action needs to be done well. Let's show you how and why. You might already know this, but let's refresh your memories. A call to action is a cue or a motivator that tells the audience to take action. This could be found on a website by way of a button that says buy now or sign up. In an advertisement, it can be directing the audience to go to a website or telling them to call a phone number. Regardless of the medium, the call to action gives the audience a direction or guide. It's what you want them to do after they hear what you have to say. Your concrete objective when making an ad is to sell. The call to action in your ad is essential to accomplish that objective. The audience member needs to know what their next step should be. You can't assume that the audience knows when to buy the product, how to buy the product, or why the product would be useful to them. You need to be the one to give them that information through the call to action. In marketing, there's a concept known as the sales funnel. Think of the sales funnel like you would a map. It's the map of the journey a potential consumer takes on their way to the purchase. Every marketing effort they see, whether it's an email, an ad on a website, or an ad on the radio, is part of the sales funnel. If the call to action's objective is met, then the sales funnel will have taken the consumer from one platform to the other, moving them from email to the website and finally to the buy now button. A strong call to action is valuable because it makes that potential consumer's journey down the sales funnel much easier. Having a strong CTA gets them from point A to point B without all the steps in between. Make their process easier with a strong call to action. A strong CTA should indicate how an audience can purchase what you're selling. Whether you lead them to a website or a phone number that they should call, make it easy for them to know how to make the purchase. Remember, you can't assume anything. You need to tell them what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. Oh, and don't overlook why they should do it. If they don't know why they should be following your call to action, then they won't be persuaded. If the call to action is weak, the whole commercial could be a failure. Put effort into your CTA to make sure that the audience knows exactly what you want them to do. Don't cut corners on your call to action. Guide the audience to make their path to the purchase easier. Good luck, everybody, and remember to put in the effort that your CTA deserves.